Hey guys, this is Dr. Kelsey, and this is Nadia here with her dog Fluff. And Fluff is an 8-year-old little mixed breed dog, and this is Mobility March month, and we are talking about some signs and symptoms of pain in your dog. All right, how do you look for pain in your pup? And so here's the deal. I'm going to break them down into the noticeable and the subtle. And so the first off category, is the noticeable ones. Hey, your dog's holding its leg up. Maybe he's got or she's got a limp going on when they walk. Sometimes, of course, they'll even cry out or whimper. But I can tell you for most of the time, that is not what you're probably going to see. You're going to see the more subtle signs of pain in your dog. Now, what does that look like? Okay, so maybe they're not walking as far on the walk that you used to do, right? They want to go back home. They want to kind of tire out pretty easy. That's something you're looking for, and that's very subtle. Maybe they don't want to jump up on the bed like they used to, right? Maybe they don't want to go up the stairs as quickly as they used to. That's another subtlety. I'll tell you a couple of big ones, and one would be pain. I mean, not pain, but panting. So a dog that's panting, maybe that's just sitting there lying down, or even if he was standing like this and he's panting, that can be a sign of pain that's going on internally. As well as sometimes they will, if they're laying in their bed, maybe they're shifting around, kind of can't get comfortable. That can be a sign that they've got some pain going on. Other things would be pacing. Maybe they're just kind of pacing around, and normally they'd be kind of settled down, but they're just kind of pacing, kind of, again, can't get comfortable. And other signs would be like a lack of appetite or a decrease in appetite, can be a sign of pain. And then last but not least is just maybe they're just disinterested in things. They're a little more standoffish, don't want to play with their toys or run around and that kind of thing. So those are going to be the signs actually you're looking for. It's probably more the subtle signs, not the more obvious signs. But again, dogs do suffer from arthritis and pain, so be on the lookout for those subtle things and the more noticeable things as your dog ages.